All right, so now I'm going to start adding color to my image. Once I have all of the lines that I'm satisfied with, I'm gonna decide, do I want colored pencil? Do I want Sharpie? Do I want marker? Do I want a hybrid of all of those options? And this is where it kind of becomes a coloring book of sorts. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about these coloring groups and, do we want cool toned, warm toned, a mix. And if you guys can remember, this was my first version of this project. So random, a bunch of different colors. Now the hair is kind of more pink and purple and the face is a little bit more blue, yellow, green. But this is where you can really go wild, have fun with this, and make this something that maybe it has a color scheme that you're really interested in or something of that nature. So if I'm someone who wants a little bit more of a warm toned look, meaning it looks warm, it looks hot, I might go for more of a pink orange feel. And if I'm someone who might want a little bit more cool toned, maybe I go for this more blue-green feel. Maybe I'm someone who would like to mix these two together. Maybe you are someone who wants a more pastel look or a more muted look. Muted meaning these colors are not very saturated. We may also be able to add, this blue into that group. So now I'm gonna go through that process of deciding, what do I want? And I really want something that's very vibrant. So whether it's pastel, cool, or warm, I want a more vibrant look. So I'm actually going to start with the hair for mine. And this is now that point where we really, really need to work on our craftsmanship, because this project is all about contour. We want to single out these shapes. And now if I color it and it looks like this, that's really not great craftsmanship. So I'm really working on that craftsmanship right now, meaning making sure this looks nice and saturated, it's fully colored in, and this almost becomes very therapeutic. So do I want to add all the orange at one time, or do I want to say, maybe I want this lighter orange to kind of pop out right here next to it and add a little contrast. Now, maybe I need a thin version of one of these because I have a really, really skinny area, and that's where you would go in and find one of those fine tip Sharpies, which aren't as great to color large areas with, so something to keep in mind. So I'm gonna continue coloring this and we'll be back for the next step.